Boys and girls, here is another story for you, and it is called Seed to Plant. Does anyone know what kind of plant this is on the front? And what kind of seeds? Right, you guessed it. Good job. Sunflower seeds and a sunflower. Good job. That's a fun plant to grow. This book is written by Kristin, Baird, Rattini, and it's a National Geographic Kids story. This is another nonfiction story, so that means it's real. It is a science book, From Seed to Plant. Here's the beginning. Many of you have seen this. It's called the Table of Contents, and that tells us where you can find information inside the book. So if you wanted to find out parts of a plant, you'd look right here and go over to page 8. Or what is a plant? Page 4. How about flowers bloom? Let's see. Oh, page 18. Or seeds, all about seeds. Page 22. Okay, so sometimes when you read a book afterwards, you might need to find information if you're doing something called research, and you could go back and look for that information in the book. We're going to read the whole thing today, so you can learn all about From Seed to Plant. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. That's called a white water lily. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers, others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too. That is an orchid, and that's a tangerine tree. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. A lot of clothing is made from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy homes for animals. There's a bear inside a tree. Isn't that cute? Can you see it? And this is a farmer in his cotton field. This is great for you to help understand about parts of a plant, because you can think about you like a plant or a tree. So, you can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Your feet, which are down here, are like the roots. Remember yesterday's book we talked about roots? Your feet are like the roots. Your body is like the stem. And your arms are like leaves. Can you stand up like a plant? Go ahead, stand up. Your feet are the roots, your legs and body are the stem, and your arms are the leaves. Do it. Good job. Great job. Roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand up tall, and leaves soak up the sunlight. So roots, stem, and leaves. Boy, do I wish we were at school because we could plant some plants at school. That would be so fun. How does a plant begin? Do you remember? First, we plant the seed. Then the seed splits open, a shoot pushes out. This is called germination. A big word. Germination. You tap that? Germination. 4 syllables. Third, a new plant is beginning. This says germination down here. The sprouting of a new plant from a seed. And a seedling is a young plant. A seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil. A stem pushes up into the air. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. Here they are watering the garden so it will grow. And a special word on this page is soil. Soil is the top layer of earth which plants grow in. What do plants need? Look at all of this information. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. Here we go. Here's the soil. Here's all the roots under the ground that you can't see, doing all kinds of work, getting water and food from the soil. And it grows up and we get sunlight and air and water, all to help it grow. Here's some fun plant facts. Number 1, this palm tree seed can weigh as much as a 4th grader. It's the heaviest seed in the world. That, my friends, is a seed. Can you see that? That's a big seed. Scrub-a-dub in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. Did you know that? That's good. Paper from this book was made from trees. Here's seeds in the middle of that sunflower. One sunflower can make as many as 1,000 seeds. Look at that. 1,000 seeds. And bamboo grows the fastest of any plant. It can grow as tall as a 3-year-old kid in one day. I didn't know that fun fact. And number 6, the tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York. That's the Statue of Liberty, and the tallest living tree is taller than that. I wonder where that tree is. Flowers bloom. Look at those pretty flowers. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bump called a bud. That's the little bud. The bud slowly opens, petals gently unfold. It opens up, and surprise, it's a flower. This book is silly. It has some jokes on it. You want to hear one? It says, what did one flower say to another flower? Hi, bud. That's silly. Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower. So there's the bee covered with pollen. Let's find out why that's important. Then the pollen rubs off on another flower. This is called pollination. Whoa, another big word. Can you say that word? Pollination. You say it. Good job. Pollination. It helps flowers make seeds. Pollination is the moving of pollen from one flower to another. This makes seeds grow. We need the bees to pollinate, so don't kill the bees. We have to keep them, okay? Seeds. Plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seeds. The case is called a pod. Peas and maple tree seeds grow in pods. That's a pea pod, and these are maple tree seeds. I think these are on our playground at John F. Kennedy School. The maple seeds. And pea pods are yummy to eat. You could grow those. Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside, but strawberry seeds are on the outside. So here's the orange seeds on the inside, and here's strawberry seeds on the outside. Now, here's some more important information. Now the seeds take a trip. Some float on the wind, others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground. Soon they sprout or germinate. A new plant begins. Birds carry seeds. Carries a berry with the seed inside. The squirrel holds a large seed. See? And dandelion seeds scatter in the wind. And when they scatter, they land on the ground. And what do you think happens? You're right. They start to grow again. Pass the plants, please. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? I had some strawberries this morning. And I plan to go have an orange and some green lettuce and salad. This is a panda who eats a bamboo plant that can grow tall in one day. And this is a watermelon. Watermelon is a fruit that comes from a plant. You could make your own garden too. You just need a seed, soak it in a cup of water overnight, fill a flower pot with some soil, push the seed down inside, add a little water, and then put it in a sunny, warm spot. See if it will grow. That could be a little fun science thing for you to do right now. Plant a seed and watch it grow. And then you could draw pictures every day. These are different things in the world. These pictures show close-up views of things in this book. Use the hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. This opens up into a flower. What do you think it is? That's a bud. And this is a leaf. Here's your sunflower. That's water for the plants, the rain. That's the bee buzzing, and that's the outside of a strawberry. And that's the end of Seed to Plant. Wow, friends, that was a really good book. That told us a lot of information about how plants grow and all about seeds and what's inside. I hope you liked that one. I think that was a pretty good book. Okay, my friends, have a great day. Enjoy. I hope it's a sunny one today and you can get outside. Maybe go look at some plants, see what you can see. Okay? Bye-bye. Have a good day.